Your divine masculine is saying that he wishes he can turn the clock and repair things between the both of you. He is in deep regret for his action, for how he treated you, for constantly saying things like, I am not interested in you, I am not interested in you, I'm not interested in you, over and over again in a million ways. He wants to turn back the clock, and he doesn't want to cause all the pain and suffering that he has caused you. He just wants to turn back the clock. Either he has never met you, or to actually treat you nicely, and to actually be kind and affectionate and loving, and to give you what you deserve. So, again, if this message is for you, you may stumble upon this video and your divine masculine is now thinking of two pathways. And it's rather whimsical because he wants to have never met you so that you would be happy and you would be with someone else, or you may have never faced the pain that he caused you, or he just wants to turn back the clock and he wants to be fully in love with you and never ever caused you to suffer even a moment. And he wants to turn back the clock and take back all those words that he may have said to you, or those actions which showed that he was not interested in you. He just wants to turn back the clock and repair things. Again, if this message is for you, please do comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll come back again with another channeling.